Okay guys, so in one of the last videos I published about the AI builder and how you can recreate any website using that amazing tool, someone left me a message here, as you can see right here. It says, please, I'll be glad if you could show me how to use the AI builder with WordPress. So in your tutorial about the AI builder, you did mention we can use it with WordPress, but you didn't demonstrate it. So please do some demonstration to see how it works with WordPress, to which I replied, okay, good idea. It is a good idea, actually, very good idea. So this is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to show you how you can use the AI builder in your WordPress installation, how you can import any website and recreate it using the same AI builder, but directly into your WordPress installation and using the page builder, Elementor page builder as well. So let's have a look at how we can do that. Okay, so the first step is to log in into our AI website builder. So let's do that. So we log in. There you go, and then log in. Okay, so from here, we're going to add a new website. So just click Add Website, or you can click on the plus sign here. Either way will work. So click on this, and then we're going to select this option here that says Recreate with AI Builder on your existing website. So this is the option we want to select. So we click on this, and then we click Next. And as you can see here, we are prompted to install a plugin on our website, on our WordPress installation. So first connect to your website to the 10Web dashboard by installing the 10Web Manager plugin. So what you have to do now is just highlight this, select this, right click, copy. And now we're going to go to our WordPress dashboard. So we go to our WordPress dashboard and we're going to add our plugin now. So we click on Plugins, Add New. And in the search box here, we're going to paste our 10Web Manager plugin. And as you can see, that's the one here. So 10Web Manager. And all we have to do basically is click Install. So it should take only a few moments normally. Should be fast enough. Okay. And all we have to do now is just click Activate. There you go. And now we have to connect our website to our AI Builder account. So we click Connect. And normally if you logged in already in the other window, it will connect automatically like it's doing its thing now. Well, you can see it's loading the 10Web Manager. We have an extra tab now on the side. There you go. So congrats, that's all done now. So you can now recreate a website using AI Assistant and edit it with 10Web Editor. So okay, done. So as you can see now, it's loading up things, and now it's connected now. So we have our two websites connected now. We have the AI Builder and our WordPress dashboard installed. And then one more step now, we have to enable this. As you can see, it says 10Web Builder and Elementor plugins will be installed on your website. So this is what we want to do now to access all these different features. So all we do now is just click Enable Now. And as you can see, it's enabling and installing all the plugins that we need. So two plugins, basically the 10Web website builder and Elementor as well, because that's what we need obviously to build our pages and have all these elements and all these sections created for us. So that's it, all done now already. So that took about maybe a minute, I'd say about 60 seconds here. So as you can see here, as usual, we have to put our home page right here. So this is the page we want to recreate. So I was thinking maybe we can redo this one here, cleansavehygiene.ie. So copy this and paste it right there. Okay, and we can add more pages if you wanted to. So let's just add another one. So let's add the About Us section maybe as well. So we can copy this page here. So add page. There you go. And then we're going to do the same with the services page. Control C, add, Control V, and let's have the contact page even. So we'll have the whole website copied over, recreated. Okay, very good, very exciting. So all you have to do now is click Recreate and Import. One click. Okay, let's do that together. There you go. So now it starts recreating the website. So this is going to take a few moments. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pause the video here and I'll meet you when it's completed. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's done already. So that was pretty fast, wasn't it? a bit less than a minute, let's say. So AI assistant recreated your website and saved you hours of manual work. So view and edit. So that's our next step. So let's view and edit. Okay, so that's not too bad at all, is it? So let's look at the original one. So this is the home page from the website we copied. So that's what it looks like, a contact form and everything. And we scroll down. You have all these different products, different categories, best-selling items, and the footer section. So let's go and have a look. Okay, here there's a bit of margin left on the left and the right, but we can manage that. We can tweak this around afterwards. So we have a contact form here. We scroll down our categories, our best-selling items, and the contact and the footer section right here. So it's very, very similar, isn't it? It's almost identical, we have to say. And then click About, maybe the About Us. Okay, again, the header function is a bit different, but everything else is absolutely the same. So services. Okay, very good. And then we have contact. Contact page. That's it. Okay, there's a bit of tweaking around we have to do with the header, but apart from that, it's exactly the same, guys, isn't it? Okay, let's take care of this. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard now and see if we can make those changes. Okay, now from our WordPress dashboard, we're going to go into Pages. And as you can see, we have the 4 pages here that have been recreated. So we have the home page, About, Contact, and Services. So all we have to do now is just open any of them using Elementor, and we can make all these tweaks and all these changes. So let's edit with Elementor. So I'm just going to open that in another window for now. It's just easier. Okay, there you go. So the only issue we had really here is because there's a bit of a gap here on the left and on the right. And everything else is absolutely fine. So we're just going to take care of our header here. So what's the story? So let's have a quick look. So obviously this is a column here. Let's see the style. Yeah, so there's an overlay color here, as you can see. So let's select that color. Control C. Going to select it. And what we're going to do basically, as you can see here, we're going to apply this to the whole section instead of 2 different columns. Basically, the overlay color is applied to one column and the other. So we're going to remove that and then make it just for the one section. So we're going to remove this, delete, remove. So no overlay color on this one. Edit this one, we do the same. So remove the overlay color. There you go. And now we select our whole section. And we're going to select a background overlay, add a background color. We're going to select the color and paste it here. Okay. And the opacity should be 1. So it should be to the full. There you go. So this is the exact same color. Now we go back to layout and we make sure that it isn't boxed, but it's full width. So I'm going to do this now, full width, and make sure that there is no gap on the outside. And this should be exactly like the original one. So let's update this. And let's have a look. Okay. So this is the original one. And this is the copy. So this is very, very similar, guys, isn't it? That's exactly the same. You know what? I shouldn't put it in full width. It should be boxed. I just put it boxed like this. Update. Okay. And this is like the original one. That's it. It was boxed actually. Sorry, my mistake, my bad. So there you go. So this is how you can tweak things around, basically, you know. And the rest of the page is absolutely exactly the same. There is no difference whatsoever. If you look at the original, scroll down. So everything else is fine. So this is the same. Maybe I can zoom out a little bit. Okay. Now you have the exact same website because it wasn't the same size. So see, the footer is the exact same now. Absolutely exact same. Okay. Now let me show you an amazing feature from the AI Builder, which is this contact form right here. So on the original website, this contact form was created using WP Forms, which is an additional plugin which is not installed on our current website. So what happened here, as you can see, if I click on this, the contact form was recreated using an Elementor feature. As you can see, edit form right here. This is the form. We have our 3 fields, which is your name, email, and the message. And then if you scroll down here, all we have to do basically is to insert our email address right here. So to hello@mrwebreviews.com. And from, this is from the email address. So this is already pre-populated, but if your email address is not there, in some cases, might not be able to fetch it, you know, you'll have to put your email address right here. So that's the only trick you might have to do. We might have to do, not each and every time though. So let's have a quick test here. So let's type in John Doe. The email address would be john.doe@gmail.com and test message. Okay, and then we can submit. There you go. So the form was sent successfully. So now let's go and have a look at my mailbox and see the email we received. Okay, so this is the email I received. So a new message from Mr. Web Reviews, and this is the content. So this is from John Doe, john.doe@gmail.com, and the message was test message. Now let's have a look at our other pages. So we have the About Us section. So as you can see, everything is fine again, except the header, which is a bit out of whack here, isn't it? So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, and we're going to edit our About Us. Again, edit with Elementor, open. So this is what the origin one looks like. As you can see, this is overlapping the header section, and this is the full picture with the same overlay color. So let's make those changes here. So first, let's take care of the background color here. So let's right click on the column here, edit column, and we go into style, and we have the color here. So we're going to select this again, Control C, and we're going to remove it like we did before. So delete that, disable this. We do the same with this column here, right click, edit column, style, delete, remove that. And again here, edit column, style, delete that, disable this. And now we're going to select our full section here, complete section. There you go. And then we're going to select style, background overlay. We're going to add one, select, put our color, Control V, and we put the opacity to 0.1. So there you go. So this is our background exactly the way it is here, as you can see. Exact same now. Okay, and then next we have this one here. So you can see this is overlapping. So this is going up a little bit. So we're going to do the same here. So we're going to select our section, and we're going to go into the margin here, and we're going to change the top margin. So we're going to reduce it basically. So we're going to go maybe -50. Let's try -50. Maybe a bit more. Hold on, minus, I think about here, -86. Now you can see this one is at the front, this one is at the back. So we're going to increase the Z index. We're going to increase that to 999, just to make sure it comes at the front. There you go. So now we have it exactly the same. Okay, as you can see, this is our recreated page, and this is the original page. So this is the exact same, as you can see, absolutely perfect now. So you can save. And if we refresh, there you go. Now we have the exact same page right here as we have on the original one. Oops, this one here. And as you scroll down, this is the same content. As you can see, we have this. And for all your cleaning requirements, request a quote. And here for all your cleaning requirements, request a quote. And then clearly after that, you can do the same thing with the other pages, with the services page, with the contact page. All you have to do basically is go back to Elementor, edit your header, and change and tweak around all the sections that are not exactly the same, and you'll be up and running in no time. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave that in the comment section. I'll endeavor to answer to everyone. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.